When did electric typewriters become popular? Have you ever wondered how the electric typewriter changed the way we work? Electric typewriters began to gain traction in the 1950s, but it was really during the 1960s that they took off. The first electric typewriters were introduced as early as the 1930s, but they did not become widely accepted until after World War II. This was a time when offices were modernizing and adapting to new technologies. By the 1960s, electric typewriters became symbols of efficiency and professionalism. They started to replace manual typewriters in many workplaces. A major turning point was in 1961 when the International Business Machines Corporation introduced the Selectric typewriter. This model was revolutionary because it replaced the traditional type bars with a spherical typing element, often called the golf ball. This design eliminated jamming and improved both typing speed and print quality. The Selectric quickly dominated the market, capturing about 75% of the United States electric typewriter market. It remained the standard for nearly 3 decades. Its sleek design and reliable performance made it a favorite in business settings. The Selectric embodied the modern office culture of the 1960s, where efficiency was key. The rise of electric typewriters coincided with a surge in paperwork and information growth in offices. Businesses needed faster and more reliable ways to produce documents. Electric typewriters met this demand by reducing typist fatigue and increasing productivity. In 1964, the International Business Machines Corporation launched the magnetic tape Selectric typewriter. This innovation combined typing with magnetic tape storage, allowing for editing and reprinting documents. It was a precursor to modern word processors. From a nostalgic viewpoint, electric typewriters symbolize the shift toward a more mechanized office environment. They representing a time when technology began to reshape daily work life, making typing less laborious and more precise. The presence of electric typewriters on desks marked progress and modernity. They reflected the consumer culture of the 1960s, which valued innovation, convenience, and style. In summary, electric typewriters became popular primarily in the 1950s and peaked in the 1960s. Innovations like the International Business Machines Corporation Selectric played a significant role in transforming office work during that decade. This set the stage for the digital word processing revolution that would follow in later years.